Hello everyone, so welcome you all to this another amazing video where I'm going to share best practices to improve your shoulder flexibility, to reduce the stiffness around the shoulder, neck pain, and also these practices are going to open your chest region so that you feel relaxed after this practice. So we start with finger joints loosening. We are opening the fingers wide open and then making the fist. Do this practice 15 to 20 times, and after that let's practice this very amazing wrist mobility practice where you are just going to move the wrist up and down, and once you are done, just stretch your wrist up, hold for some time, and then down, hold for some time, like this. And now we are going to just loosen the wrist joint nicely. Just loosen them, loosen. Once the wrists are loosened, let's practice elbow strengthening practice. This is Kafoni Shakti Vikasak. Imagine there is a punching bag in front of you and you are punching that punching bag. Strong punch you are going to do, and then you are going to feel the nice activation around your shoulders and arms. You feel each and every punch, and then interlock your finger and stretch your hands in front of your body, and this amazing stretch will open your wrist joint, elbow joint, and you feel this on your shoulder blades as well. Once you are done with this amazing stretch, let's loosen whole elbow, wrist, and shoulder joints. Loosen them before we move to the next practice. For the next practice, you are going to keep the palm on your thigh and with inhalation, stretch your hands up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Synchronize your body movement with your breathing. Allow your lungs to breathe well. Exhale down. Now, as you inhale, stretch your hands up and bring your bicep little back from your ear and stay here, minimum for 30 seconds. Once you are done, let's practice open and close. As you inhale, chest open, shoulders open. Exhale, join the palms in front of your body. And continue 15 to 20 times. Synchronize your body movement with your breathing. This practice will not only open your chest but also shoulders and shoulder blades as well, you will feel. Once you are done practicing this 15 to 20 repetition, hold it for minimum 30 seconds with normal breathing. Now let's move to the next practice. For this, you are going to turn your body one side so that your shoulder touches the wall like this. And after that, you are going to rotate your shoulder like a clock, clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. You can increase or decrease the number of rounds you want, and once you are done with the clockwise direction movement, you continue with the anti-clockwise, forward to back and back to forward, and the other hand as well you have to do it. If you feel it difficult, you can just move away from the wall little. If you feel comfortable, keep your shoulder touching the wall, and then very slowly you are going to move your hands. And once you are done with your right hand, turn other side and repeat the same with the left. Forward to back 10 and back to forward 10. This amazing practice is going to open your chest. It is going to support your back also. You will feel the amazing stretch around your cervical region also. You see, I am doing this practice very slowly. If you are able to do this practice more slowly, please practice like this. And then we are done with the forward and back, yani clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. And now this amazing stretch, Tadasana. So stretch your hands up, interlocking the finger. Keep your head neutral. Don't look up, just look forward and keep stretching your hands up. You will feel this amazing stretch around your shoulder, chest, back, and belly. Now, again, I'm going to turn my body one side, join the palms with each other like a sandwich, and then other hand out. So, right palm, left palm together, left palm out, inhale. This amazing spinal twist, you will feel the effect on your shoulder, neck, spine, and then you are after 5 5 you are going to hold it for some time, and then I'm going to repeat same on the other side as well. Joining the palm, inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. I'm showing here 5 times only. If you want to increase the number of rounds, you can increase the number of round here and hold for a little longer time, maybe for 30 seconds. Now let's practice another stretch. So you have to push the, you imagine that there is some punching bag on your side and you are pushing that punching bag outside. Let's move to the next practice, and this one is my favorite. You are standing in front of a wall and then you are going to twist and exhale. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale, turn towards the wall and twist. This one is amazing, amazing spinal twist. I really love it and I do it every day before I start my yoga practice. So if you start doing this amazing twist against the wall, your shoulder will become more flexible, your spine will become more flexible, and your belly is going to get nice massage as well. With exhalation, you have to turn towards the wall. Inhalation, release. So you can repeat 15 to 20 times and then hold for 10 seconds or 30 seconds. It's up to you how much time you have and how much you want to do it. And your shoulder and your chest are going to love this amazing, amazing spinal twist. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Ensure that you are not moving your toe. So I am keeping 1 foot distance between both my legs, 1 or 2 foot distance you can keep. And then when you are turning towards the wall, do not move your toe. Many people move their toe. That's why they don't feel the effect around the chest and belly. So the next practice is going to activate the whole sides. So keeping the right palm on your waist, left hand up toward the ceiling, stretch, 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 lengthen the spine, and then bend towards the wall and then touch the wall like this. Inhale, center, exhale, touch the wall. So you have to maintain 1 hand distance between you and the wall so that you push the waist out and you just simply touch the wall like this. So you can repeat 15 to 20 times. This practice will keep your waist healthy. This will stretch your side abdominal muscles, and this nice amazing shoulder opening practice, you feel it on your left side. Now turn towards the other side, and now this time feel the stretch around your waist and shoulder. With exhalation, turn and push the waist out and touch the wall like this, and keep pushing the waist out and keep touching the wall. Your body is going to love this practice. Three times you can repeat 3 sets, right and left, like this. Once you are done with amazing this stretch, you are going to hold both sides, maintain it for like 1 minute to 30 seconds, and you will feel improved blood circulation. Now, the next practice is you are standing in front of the wall, maintaining one hand distance between your wall and the body, and then both your hands shoulder level distance apart. Join your palms in front of your body, turn around, and then touch the wall and walk down up to the shoulder level and push the chest out. Loosen your neck and you will feel amazing opening of your shoulder, your neck, and your chest is going to become more flexible. So half forward bend and then arch your back. With normal breathing you can do it, or you can, if you are able to hold, so with inhalation hold and exhalation forward bend. So you can do this practice 10 times, 8 times as per the your comfort, and exhale like this. See how simple all these practices are. I'm sure you all are enjoying watching this video, and you have to promise me that you are going to do all these practices at your home to get all these amazing benefits, to open your shoulder, open your chest. Now, turn towards the wall. Maintain one hand distance between you and the wall, both your hands shoulder level distance, and then slowly bend forward and look at your navel. If you're not able to look your navel, look at your toe or your knee and maintain here, maintain this position for 30 seconds or 1 minute, and your shoulders will love it. Now let me show you the last stretch of the shoulder, which I absolutely love. So you are going to keep both the palms to the wall, and you are going to keep the one hand on the wall and other hand on your waist, and turn your chest like you open a door or window. So again I'm showing here, turn towards other side like a door or window. Excellent. Now, as you hold one side, turn other side and hold it for some time. You will feel amazing opening of your shoulder, chest, which is going to reduce the stiffness and will allow your lungs to breathe well. Your heart will thank you, your lungs will thank you. And then once you are done, you are going to give a nice hug to yourself like this. Just pull the elbows up, keep hugging, hold your shoulder blades, nice tight hug, and then change the hand, down hand up hand down, and then keep hugging yourself, nice hug, and then eagle arm stretch, pull the elbows up, and in comment section, do let me know if you like this video, if this video was helpful. For your help, I'm sharing these few videos with suggestions with you. Please watch this video and keep practicing yoga. Thank you for watching this video till end. Make sure you have subscribed this channel, you have liked this video. Take good care of yourself. Namaste.